Today I'm going to show you guys how to take off the right side tailgate light bulb, tail light, whatever you want to call it. Light bulbs are serviceable from in here without taking it apart. So first thing first, unplug these two connectors. There's 5 number 8s. You can see 4 of them on the outside, which are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. But there's a 5th one in here. Get a, something flat, stick it in here, and just you can feel the gasket just letting loose. I did get that 8 out. Yes, I did. I don't like doing it from the outside, but yeah, you can see the gaskets all. So you can push on these. Okay. Taillight's a lot loose. There he goes. Don't pry from the outside. If it's stuck, tap on these a little bit, and it'll loosen it up. It'll come off.